In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Landsat imagery for free. We're going to use the USGS Earth Explorer. From selecting a Landsat scene to downloading it, I'll teach you step by step if you're just starting out on this platform. Let's get started. Before we begin, I just want you to know that the USGS Earth Explorer isn't just for Landsat imagery. It has a ton of data in here like elevation models, land cover, and even declassified imagery from military spy satellites. In this video, I'll also show you some of my favorite datasets to download. Also, I've been using the USGS Earth Explorer for over 5 years now. All I can say is that the interface is always changing. What you see in this video might be a bit different from what you see. So just try to follow along as best as you can. Here we are in the USGS Earth Explorer. The first thing you have to do is to enter in your search criteria. Honestly, the best way to do this, which I use 99% of the time, is to just zoom into my area of interest. So let's just zoom into the Colorado Rockies area here. From here, I'm just going to press the Use Map button. Now this area is highlighted in red. If I zoom out a bit with my center mouse wheel, you can see that it did select this area in Colorado. Another important search criteria is the date range. Let's say you only want imagery from the previous month. This is how you could do that. It's also really handy to change the cloud cover range. Let's say you don't want a lot of clouds in your imagery. Then, you could lower this range to less than 10%, and it will filter the results to only show imagery with fewer clouds. In the Datasets tab, you can find all the different datasets that you can download from the USGS Earth Explorer. For Landsat, just scroll down a bit and you'll find Landsat imagery. But the USGS Earth Explorer is actually a goldmine for data. One of my favorites is going into the digital elevation dropdown. From here you can find SRTM data, which is one of the most prominent global digital elevation models in the world. Another popular dataset is the UAS collection, which stands for Unmanned Aircraft System. Here you can find drone data including orthos, point cloud, and raw data. I also like the EO1 collection because it has hyperspectral data from Hyperion. There actually used to be Sentinel-2 data, but unfortunately I don't see it anymore. There's so much here. Take some time to look around, like the AVHRR data, digital line graphs, and aerial imagery. Okay, so let's go ahead and find a Landsat scene to download. We're in the Landsat collection now on the Datasets tab. Let's say if you want an older scene from the year 2000, then you'd have to select Landsat Legacy. I'm just going to go ahead and do that. You'll notice there are date ranges for each type of sensor. It actually never used to be this way before, but it's really convenient now that there is. So you just have to pick the sensor that's in your date range you want. But let's say I want a scene from just a week ago. The difference between the two is that Level 2 is ready to use and atmospherically corrected, whereas Level 1 is the raw scenes with digital numbers. So I'll go ahead and pick the Level 2 data, which is the ready to use data. Now let's scroll down and click Results. From here you can go through everything available for your selection. There's lots to pick from. Alright, I'm going to select this scene. Let's go ahead and preview it. First, you can check out the footprint in the map. This can help you know where it is within your area of interest. And secondly, you could even see how the scene looks in the map by previewing it. So let's say if you're happy with how this scene looks. Click on the download options. Now you'll see a pop-up option. Click on the product options. From here you can just download the entire product bundle by clicking the download button. So as you can see, it's already started downloading. And there you have it. That's how you download Landsat imagery from USGS Earth Explorer for free. I hope you enjoyed the video and was able to learn a bit about the USGS Earth Explorer. I encourage you to look at all the datasets available. It really has a wealth of information not just for the United States, but also for the entire globe. Don't forget to please like or subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time.